The simple fact is that if your home's equipment uses electricity, it's susceptible to a breakdown. A sudden breakdown of your home's equipment, such as appliances, HVAC units, and hot water heaters, is not covered by the standard homeowner's policy. Security First customers can add equipment breakdown coverage up to $100,000 for unexpected repair or replacement of covered home equipment. Adding this coverage is only $50 per year. Let's quickly review what's covered and what's not covered so you can make the best insurance decision to protect your belongings. Common household equipment that's covered by equipment breakdown includes washers and dryers, computers, dishwashers, freezers and refrigerators, garbage disposals, heat pumps, central AC systems, microwaves, ovens, sump pumps, surround sound, swimming pool pump, TVs, water heaters, and well water pumps. Keep in mind, damage caused by a lack of maintenance or wear and tear is not covered. So, what is wear and tear exactly? Wear and tear is the natural deterioration of a machine's ability to perform. This happens slowly over time. On the other hand, equipment breakdown refers to a sudden loss of functionality that's caused by an electrical, mechanical, or pressure system breakdown. This includes damage caused by power surges, which is the most common cause of appliance breakdown, and on average costs $2,300 to repair. 18 to 24% of new appliances fail within the first year, and 76.6% of refrigeration and air conditioning system failures are due to electrical issues. Don't risk it. Get coverage for your appliances for only $50 per year. Contact your agent or call us at 877-333-9992 to add equipment breakdown coverage to your policy. For more information on this optional coverage, visit us at securityfirstflorida.com.